everyone, Charlie here. Welcome to Clip 7. In yesterday's, 5 minutes ago's episode, we worked on the train. We worked on our friend Seabees. And we worked on, this worksheet for homework and practicing March of the Gnomes. Now, all songs start out hard, but as you play them, they get easier. And sometimes, if you play the songs incorrectly, it might take you weeks, maybe even months to perfect the song. But this is a trick that will make it super easy for you to perfect a song. These 3 tips that you do every time you play your song 3 times through. Now, for the example, I'm going to use the train, because everyone likes trains. I like trains. Now, the first step, when you play it the first time through, you say letter names. 1, C, D, 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 C, 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 C. What a good song! The next part you do is you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you don't always count to 4. The top number here. Don't pay any attention to the bottom. We'll cover that some other time. But the top is what you're going to be focusing on. The top says how many counts. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the next thing people normally do is they sing if there's words, but there's no words in the train, other than this guy holding the letter D. There's no other actual words to the song, so we work on dynamics. Dynamics are where you play it loud or quiet or in between. It never specifies, so I think we can change it up. We could go quiet here and then go louder as the notes get shorter, or go quieter as the notes get shorter. You get to pick. Or you can keep it a certain volume for the entire song, or loud, 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 and quiet at the very end. Or quiet, 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 not at the very end. You can do whatever you want with these dynamics, unless it says the dynamics, and then you're at a dilemma. So next, let's go over here. Now before, we talked about what the things look like on sheet music. This is just to clarify. The CBs. This is very funny because C, B, CB, 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 CB. There's nothing else but C's and B's. This is a fun song. It's a unique song. But C's, no matter what, will have this funky looking line through it that's just floating, going through the C. Here is the left hand, and if it's here, you play it with your right hand. Now the B's and the D's on the right hand and the B's on the left hand look like they're trying to cling to the final strip before flying into the abyss. Now the trains has D's, and look, it's just clinging there for life. It's just stuck, being hung from this little wire. And this B over here, and this B is being pushed up by a pole, and it's just sitting there. And yeah, that's Oh yes, here. Here you're gonna be naming these. So let's just go over the answers for the first one. And I don't know if we should skip this. Don't do this yet. This, no, this is bad. This too. Just do 1 and 3. I'll give you the answer to 1. Try 3 out. So here's the answers to 1. So we got C. And this, as we went up here, we could tell was a D. Even if it's a whole note D, it's still a D. And this isn't a whole note. I got it wrong. It's a half note. I'm forgetting how to play piano. So C, D, and then this is C, and then D, and then D, and then C, and then D, and then C again. And then we're done with that. You can try out this. Remember, this is the left hand. Oh. This is the left hand here. And this is a C. So you can go across and do the C's. And we'll give you a hint. This one is from the song Seabees. I think that's a good enough hint for you. Now, yes, you get to play this. You get the fun of playing C's, D's, and B's. You should try writing these letter names here. I think you should do that. Just so you can practice. Now let's go to March of the Gnomes. Now you probably wouldn't have had time to play this by the time you made to this video, because this video was just posted about, I'd say maybe 10-15 minutes after I posted the one telling you to do March of the Gnomes. But March of the Gnomes, remember, we've got quarter notes here. So you're probably thinking, wait, that only equals half. No, it's 2 here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See, it follows to the 2s. You should also try writing in letter names. Try counting. Now you're also probably wondering, hey Charlie, wait, what are these numbers? I'm not going to answer that. Wait until clip 7. But it means, I'll just tell you what 1 means. It means put your thumb. Until then, see you in clip 8. Goodbye.